We all have the potential to achieve great things, to do something extraordinary. It could be the quality of a key relationship. It could be an important project at work, one that taps into your unique skills and talents. It could be a contribution you want to make in your community. Achieving the extraordinary in your life and work is more possible than ever before. With the knowledge, technologies, and opportunities we have today, we have more potential than any generation in history. Yet paradoxically, the abundant technologies and opportunities can also distract us from our greatest purposes. We can become overloaded with things that don't really matter, or even things that are good, but that keep us from the best in our lives if we let them. It's a battle for our finest attention and effort. And what's at stake are the things that make our work and lives great. The most important technology of the knowledge age is our mind. Yet we often have very little practice in actually using our mind in conscious ways to generate better results. The good news is, we can change all that. We can choose to think and act differently, so that the things that yield the best results and are the most meaningful to us can consistently get our finest attention and effort. There are 5 choices that, if made consistently, will transform your capability to achieve extraordinary outcomes. Choice 1. Act on the important. Don't react to the urgent. This is the foundational ability to focus your attention and energy on those things that will have the biggest payoff. Choice 2. Go for the extraordinary. Don't settle for ordinary. This is the choice to clearly define the outcomes you're working toward. Choice 3. Schedule the big rocks, don't sort gravel. The big rocks are your most important priorities, so they go into your schedule first. And no matter how chaotic your life may be, everything else is gravel by comparison. Choice 4. Rule your technology, don't let it rule you. This is the skill of using technology in a way that accelerates rather than hinders your ability to get great results. Choice 5. Fuel your fire, don't burn out. This is the choice to constantly renew your sources of energy so that you can accomplish and enjoy the great things in your life. The premise of the 5 choices is that every person has the potential to do great, even extraordinary things. The promise is that by consistently making these 5 choices, you will.